So guys, if I going to tell you that by converting PNG to word transcribing, you are getting paid 2000 rupees, which is equivalent to, if we can calculate, it is equivalent to $285. What could you say? So it is a best freelancing job website that you can earn online by just doing nothing. Follow along this video and I'll show you how you can yourself earn by just setting up some proposals, and you are getting paid a good amount of money per hour. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just copy pasting some small stuffs. How you can set proposals. Guys, a lot of people are asking me a question that, sir, please give me a part-time job that will just earn a small amount of things so that I can utilize my 1 hour or half an hour dedicated to earn money. So guys, this site will give you not only a small kind of work, and I'll teach you how you can set proposals to the biggest company so that they can offer you a good amount of job. Okay, how you can earn by just working at home, just cut copy pasting job you just need to require, and you are getting paid for that. Okay guys, so follow this video till the end and just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel guys, so that I can give you these earning strategies and earning websites through which you can earn online by just doing copy paste work. Okay guys, so guys, let's do first sign up. Okay, the link for this website is in my description box, so you can check out. Okay guys, so you can see guys, in the top corner you can see login or sign up. You just click on this thing and you need to sign up guys. Okay, I just click on this, my first name, okay, my last name, my email ID, okay, and my password. Okay, and I'm not a robot. Just click on this sign up button. So you can see guys, you are signed up. Now you go to your email ID. Just come up in your email ID and you can see guys, we need to verify our mail address. Okay, so it will take some time, and guys, you can see guys, what you need to do. I want to hire a freelancer, or I'm looking for online work. You just click on this online work. Okay, just click on this work and you can see guys, I just need to upload my photograph, and how can I paid, I just tell you. Okay, so you can select your picture guys. Okay, just upload your picture and it's absolutely okay, you can see guys, I just save it, and you just tell them that how much you can earn. Okay, what is a basic based upon guys your country. My country is India, so how can I select the currency? Okay, you can see guys, minimum hourly work. You can type guys $10 or $15 or $20 if you are in United States. So you just need to select here just your hourly payment. Okay, in India $1 is equal to 70 rupees. So as per that, I can select approximately $500 rupees, which is equivalent to guys, let's see how much it is. Let's see the online calculator, and we can do the calculations, which is divided by 70. So we can find out how many dollars it is of equivalent to. Okay, $7 guys. Okay, $7 we can select, or we can select $10 as well. So for that I just need to select $7, 700 rupees for $10. Okay, so $1 is of 70 rupees. So Okay, $10 equivalent to 700 rupees. Okay, so this is the rate that I have selected. So hourly payment, guys. So we can do the calculation, guys. Okay, if you are good in that, guys, you can create multiple profiles, and you can set the rate like $20, $30, $40. Okay, so that you are getting paid a good amount. Okay, so I just select, guys, $10 if I've worked daily. Let us suppose, guys, 3 hours I just work. So you can see, guys, in 3 hours I get $30. Okay, and within a month I should have $900 by just typing something. You can see, guys, it's a great opportunity. Okay, what you can see, guys, data entry professional. Okay, guys, so I have selected the data entry professional. You can select whatever your skill is. If you are a graphic designer, set the rate as per the graphic designer, guys. Okay, if you want to select some other niche, I will show you what type of people can earn in this website. Okay, you can set up the experience. I should recommend you to select the advanced so that you can get more job. Okay, you can see that, guys, and make sure that you can select the part-time work. Okay, part-time 10 to 30 hours per week. It should be fine. You can introduce yourself. I can do data entry job and give the project within time. Okay, guys, these things are very important for you. You can select self your introduction. If you're a graphic designer, you can say that I'm a professional designer, and you should select that I should complete the project within time. Guys, this thing is very important because whatever you can write, it's your niche. Okay, as per your niche. But when it comes to the when it comes to the timely payment, okay, you are getting paid for what you are doing. So there is a trust should be there. So that line will give you a trust. Okay, so tell us your skills. So what type of skills do I have? You can see, guys, there are lots of. I should select data entry, copy paste. Okay, there are copy paste job as well. You can just select the tags. Okay, just click on the tags, copy. You can see, guys, copy typing, copywriting. Okay, editing jobs as well. So there are lots and lots of jobs in this. Okay, you can have a look, guys. There are hundreds and hundreds of opportunities for those who can see that, guys. Okay, they can find out a good opportunity in this domain. Okay, you can select your date of birth. And just select it. Okay, and just your Skype ID if you are having. Okay, just select it, and your mobile number that you need to give. Okay, guys, and you need to verify your mobile number. Okay, guys, so I just wanna tell you, guys, that you need to update it. Okay, you just need to update the whole thing. And now your biopic is ready, guys. Okay, you can see, guys, your biopic is ready. Now you need to do what? You just want to find out some of the jobs. Okay, how do I find out the jobs? Okay, find jobs. You can see, guys, just I want to browse some jobs. Okay, just click on this browse jobs. Okay, so you are redirected to their page, and you can see, guys, they are hourly paying you a good amount. You can see, guys, I am a mobile developer. So for as per our niche, I just recommend data entry. Okay, data entry job. Okay, just search for this data entry job in the right hand side corner. You can see I just type data entry job and it is doing the searching for us. This website is doing the searches for us. You can see guys, people are actually earning a good amount by just giving some small intro, and they are just posting their own thing. Okay, you can see guys. So if you want to earn guys for data entry, you can see that guys, for filling the Excel sheets, okay, you are getting paid 3000 rupees, which is equivalent to, if I can calculate how what it is equivalent to, if I can calculate it, so it is approximately guys, I should divide it by 70. So how many dollars it is of, let me just delete it. So what is equivalent to, you can see that $42 guys, $42 you can see by filling these forms. Okay, you can see guys, and many of them have select the proposals, they can give the proposals, and they are doing actually a good job by selecting these jobs and doing these jobs as well. Okay guys, so I just want to recommend you to guys have a look on these kind of websites and just try to analyze lots of things. Okay, so have a search, do some search on this whole process, that there are lots of marketing courses as well. Okay, IT programming categories, writing and content and translation. Okay, so don't worry if you are not familiar with these kind of translation, you can do you can search on this Google Translate. Okay guys, just come up in this Google Translate, and you can select your own languages guys, you can select your own languages. There are hundreds and hundreds of languages out there, and you can do the translation job. Okay, so it's very easy guys, they are actually paying you a good amount at this website, they are actually paying you a good amount. So don't worry if you don't familiar with these things, and I can show you that guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of jobs. You can see guys, you can sell your voice. Okay, you can sell your virtual assistant job. You do not have to do one thing, you just want to inquire something. Okay, just hourly payment they are giving you guys, hourly payment they are giving you, and it's absolutely free of cost. So worldwide your account is created, and people are going to they are just posting their jobs. And what and I should tell you that guys, how you can do the proposals part. Okay, just click on the set proposals. Okay, and guys, you need to set up a catchy proposal for this. Okay, so you these are the skills, and you can see the requirements guys. They have select the project detail. Okay, they have selected that how many words that you need to write for this article writing. Okay, heading, subtitles, what you need to do, exactly what you need to do. They have set up whole thing. Okay, you can see guys, data entry job just in your hands guys. You do not require anything to set up your requirements and all. You can see guys, it is open, and 449 people have viewed it. Okay, so if I want to send my proposal, kindly complete your profile first. Okay guys, I have not selected my phone number. Okay, I just do. You need to first you can see guys, my stats, I have not working right now. So I just wanna tell you that you just need to select some of the things that it will show you. You can see guys, the feeds percentage. Okay, this thing will all it shows. Okay, so this is how I just wanna tell you that guys, there are recommended jobs as well. You can see guys, there are recommended jobs, and in your email ID they are always being active, make you active, that what type of jobs you can do. You can see guys, actually going pay well. It's approximately $50 per hour guys, $50 per hour, exactly $50 per hour by just doing some designs work. And if you don't know how to design, just write down in the comment section that sir, I don't know how to design things, how to design templates. I'll show you easiest way to design your own templates by just dragging, drop and things. Okay, from scratch. If you want it, just write down in the comment section. I just show you step by step how you can do it. Okay guys, for so guys, this is it for this section, and this is it for this video guys. So if you like this video, just hit the like button, and if you want some investment strategies and more stuffs like that, how do I find jobs, simple jobs like data entry, I've shown you. Lots of comments are there that, sir, please tell me one small trick that I should do in order to earn money online by just sitting at home, by just performing some jobs, and I should get good amount of payment. Okay, just write down in the comment section, and I just want to tell you that, guys, please subscribe to this video so that you became active of my currently a new video. Okay guys, this is it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.